Science Unit 1 Assessment. Please type in your name. Number 1. Students were asked to bring items from home to see which would sink or float. Which is a list of items that would all sink? A. Metal spoon, steel nail, glass marble. B. Plastic spoon, plastic duck, steel nail. C. Wood block, plastic straw, metal spoon. D. Steel nail, plastic beach ball, glass marble. Please pause the video and answer the question. Number 2. To show you that it is possible to separate mixtures, your teacher gave you a mixture of sand and iron fillings. She instructed you to pull a metal bar through the mixture. You observed the iron fillings were attracted to the piece of metal. From the information and image above, iron fillings have which physical property? A. Liquid. B. Magnetism. C. Ability to float. D. Ability to sink. Pause and answer the question. Number 3. A student places a metal key, a beach ball, a golf ball, and a toy boat in a container of water. Which data table below correctly identifies the objects placed in a container of water? So, sink, beach ball, golf ball, float, toy boat, metal key. Sink, metal key, golf ball. Float, toy boat, beach ball. Sink, beach ball, toy boat. Float, golf ball, metal key. Sink, beach ball, metal key. Float, toy boat, golf ball. A, B, C, or D? Pause and answer the question. Number 4. A student tests and records the magnetism of different objects. Which data table classifies the object correctly? Magnetic: steel paperclip, iron scissors, iron spoon. Non-magnetic: wooden ruler, plastic fork, rubber band. B. Magnetic: wooden ruler, plastic fork, rubber band. Non-magnetic: steel paperclip, metal scissors, iron spoon. C. Magnetic: iron spoon, plastic fork, steel paperclip. Non-magnetic: wooden ruler, metal scissors, rubber band. D. Magnetic: metal scissors, iron spoon, wooden ruler. Non-magnetic: plastic fork, rubber band, steel paperclip. A, B, C, or D? Pause and answer the question. Number 5. Students sorted items based on their physical properties. Copper penny, plastic cup, metal paperclip, metal sewing needle, wooden pencil. Which physical property could students use to sort the items into 2 groups? A. Temperature. B. Magnetism. C. States of matter. D. Shape. Pause and answer the question. Number 6. Matter that expands to take the shape of a container is A. Liquid. B. Solid. C. Gas. D. Molecule. 7. Matter that has a definite size and shape is A. Liquid, solid, gas, molecule. 8. What part of the picture above shows something that is a gas? Straw, ice cubes, bubbles, glass. 9. Which of the following samples of matter is in a liquid state? A fruit popsicle, salt in a shaker, a sugar cube, pancake syrup. 10. Which of the following is an example of water in its solid state? Steam, lake, snow, rain. Number 11. On a trip to the beach, a brother and sister found a sealed bottle with a note inside. Which statement is true about the bottle they found? It contains a solid, liquid, and a gas. It contains a solid only. It contains a solid and a liquid. It contains a solid and a gas. "12. What can you observe about water on a hot summer day? Heat evaporates water. Heat has no effect on water. Heat causes water to melt. Heat makes the water more salty." "13. Which of the following examples best demonstrates matter melting? Boiling water on the stove, placing juice in the refrigerator, leaving ice cream out in the sun, cooling a bowl of soup that is too hot." 14. Which description best describes the process that liquid water will undergo when placed and left in the freezer? The liquid water will change into a gas. The liquid water will change into a solid. The liquid water will remain the same. The liquid water will evaporate. 15. A student held a popsicle as she watched a soccer game outdoors. After a few minutes, the popsicle started to drip. What caused the popsicle to drip? Light from the sun changed the popsicle from a liquid to a gas. Heat from the sun evaporated the popsicle into the air. Wind caused the popsicle to change shape. Heat from the sun changed the popsicle from a solid to a liquid.